If you are encountering a SIM failure problem on your iPhone, then it usually indicates an issue with the SIM card, network, or the phone itself. So in order to fix this issue, start with restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve temporary issues or SIM related issues. So now after you do so, simply go to the settings on your mobile device and now tap on the general option available there. And once inside the general, simply tap on the software update and make sure that your iPhone is up to date to the latest version available. After you do so, go back to the settings again and inside settings general, simply scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. After you do that, simply tap on the reset option available in there and tap on the reset all settings. So if nothing works, then you will have to reset all your settings and make sure to back up your data before doing this. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.